In this quick 5-minute video, I'll be showing you how you can design emails for your brand in 10 to 15 minutes using this kit. So what you are seeing here is we have made up a demo sort of kit of a skincare brand. And obviously, I mean, this is this has, sections that is pretty much all of the section that is used in emails for, let's say, hero section, body section. And at the same time, we have variations, as not every email is going to be same. So we have variations of each section. Why I designed or why we came up with this is, I get on a call, with brand founders or their team all the time. And I'm not surprised, when they tell me that they design each email from scratch and it takes them, 2 to 4 hours to come up with a, new email, and that they need to send. And oftentimes they send these campaigns very last minute. So, to remove, to like, why is that happening is they have no design system or like no email design system in place. So yeah, this is what we are trying to solve with this kit. And if you're wondering how this works, is so what I'll be doing in 3 minutes, I'll be designing 3 to 4 minutes. I'll be designing a new email in front of you. So yeah, let's just get started. So for designing an email, we are using right now Figma, and we created a frame. And the general width that we follow is, as you can see, I've added like customize it I changed it to 700. So let's enter that. Change the frame name to email. First things first, we need a hero section for an email. So we copy it and we paste it over here. So first part is done. And then definitely there is a body needed, and that is pasted over here. Okay. Center aligned. And okay, I think this image is not needed. So we can just delete it and add the border. So now we can implement the left, and we need to, show some products. So for that, we will be using, like, let's say this section is, should shop scientifically backed skincare. Now we are also showing, some products. After that, maybe we can add a, review or something like this. Maybe we can test it. Okay. After that, if you want to, cover any last minute benefit or how it does or how it works, or maybe you can, if you want to explain about the subscription or whatever program that you have, you can use any of these kits. For now, we'll be using, this section over here. Says bug. And I think no, this is not a fit for this. Let's delete it. Let's just use this one. And for reviews, maybe we can use this one. After this is okay, done, and then some last minute quick benefits. After that, we need a CTA. And here we can end this with a footer. Okay, let's drop it over here. And as you can see, we have an email ready in just, okay, let's also add this one thing here, which is at times we are using, this but okay. I'm not sure how this is going to look. I'm just doing all this in front of you. So I've thought this. I mean, this looks quite good. Again, this is what it did just in front of you in like 3 to 5 minutes. So I think this is pretty, ready, or like pretty, enough to publish. Obviously, there are customization you can make. We are also, looking to feedback and what we can add. But this is just a test that we have done. If you are an agency or any brand and you want access to this, I can just give you the link. And if you face any problem in using this, just give me shoot me a DM and I'll help you with this. Like I said, this is just a test we are doing. Yeah, I mean, let me know what you think in comments. And if you also, this is what I had designed before recording this video. So pretty quite close, but yeah. So yeah, let me know what you think about this in